All right, today on Hughes Garage, we're going to be installing a Lasfit bed liner and also a tailgate liner. This is for the 2025 Ford F-150 with the 5.5 foot bed, Crewcab. This is with the standard tailgate, not the work surface tailgate. So, going to get these unboxed and take a look at them. This is the product number for the tailgate liner. Tailgate mat is what they're calling it, and this is the one for the truck bed. I'm gonna have the links below anyways, but just in case you want to get a head start and take a look at them. All right, I've got them laying out in the sun, that way they can kind of flatten out. The actual quality of these, some really nice. We'll see how they hold up in the truck bed, but you're going to want to lay them out flat, bend them the opposite direction to kind of straighten them out if you need to. This thing was completely rolled up and wouldn't stay flat. I had to bend it the opposite way to kind of lay flat. Let it sit in the sun for a while, probably an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Just pick a hot day and it'll be quicker. And then once they flatten out a little bit, we'll go ahead and get them installed. All right, the only actual tools you're going to need is about a T25 bit with a drill, or you can use it manually, however you want. You got these 8 screws right here, right there, right there. So you're just gonna have to undo those, and then when you put the liner down, you're gonna go through the liner with the screws back in the same spots. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. These ain't in very tight, so it's not that difficult. This T25 is a little loose. There's probably a more specific size you could find. I don't have one in my garage for it. T25 is going to have to get the job done, and it will get the job done. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out and put the liner on. What we're looking at, put them to the side. So on the back side of the tailgate liner, you're going to see where the screws go through. There's these little tits. You're going to go ahead and cut those down flush across the whole thing. It doesn't say in the directions to do that, but obviously if you want to sit it flush and make it look good, you're going to want to do that. So cut these off. Don't do anything with that. All right, once you got them all cut, go ahead and flip it over and put the screws in. All right, and here's the finished product. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't wait the hour or two like I said for y'all to do, and this is why you should listen to me. So I'm a little impatient. Hopefully it'll work its way out and flatten. If not, then I'll just leave my tailgate down for a few days and it'll work its way down. Anyways, once you do that, you got it in. It does seem pretty high quality. It really truly does. You know, they probably did the laser fit because I can't find any really any imperfections. It's pretty much dead on with the shape of the tailgate. So I like this one. Now we're going to move to the truck bed. Best way to do this, especially if you're on your own, is to fold it inward in half. That way you can line it up. That way if you don't have anybody helping you out, you can, for the most part, get it set in there. Out. Then obviously you're gonna have to mess with it and get it fit in here really good, but for the most part it should be about dead on. All right guys, here's the finished product. Once again, a little impatient, still bowing up a little bit because it's been out here for 30 minutes in the sun. Really needs about 2 hours in the hot sun. The paper says a couple days. That may be a little bit overkill, but you know, it is what it is. I will say the design on this and the design on the tailgate liner design and the bed liner design are different. Don't know if that's intentional or what, but this is like shiny, a little more textured. This is like a pale black, Texture's kind of close to how it is, but it's definitely extremely noticeable. I'm gonna message them and see if they got an explanation for that, or maybe they sent me the wrong one. I don't know. But either way, here it is, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll have the links for both of these things in the description, and y'all have a good one.